Everybody, my name is Elisenet. My crazy invention is the Human Machine Partner or HMP. Uh, about before that, talking about the crazy invent in the history. Let's do it. Okay. The first crazy invent in the history is the glass. The glasses was created by the Egyptian about 5,000 years ago. The next is the paper tray that was invented in the 857 by Joseph Gabriel. The time machine was invented in the 98 by M. Brown. And finally, the invented is the IA. The IA was created in the 2001 by Isaac Asimov. This year, this year is the turn of the humanity to develop it again and mark a milestone in the history. What it? The machine partner or HMP is the less advanced in technology at your fingers. With this versatile product and you can communicate with the cyberspace without you need physical console. Through the neural connection of the HMP and the neofrontal cortex of the brain, it can be connected to any peripheral available in your home. The connection human-machine was invented in 2008 by Alan H. Hawkins, who described this feeling the computer in your hand. Okay, come on. Okay, next. Excuse me. Oh, Simulio. The first person something boom is the process was Eva Lovecraft del Toro. How you say it? I feel as it were in my hands. Uh, Other story of your product are the Zuckerberg twins. How you manage interconnection without each other physical level through the EHP. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this product or your operation are waiting for your call. Hi, waiting for us. Call me. See you soon.